What's going on, guys? This is your boy Minibike Manuel out here in Houston, Texas. Fastboy builds, let's go. Today we got a Baja big boy bike frame. It's got a Tillotson 212 Tillotson, and currently running a 48-mile-an-hour top end. It's our new member of the group, Chris's, and we're gonna see what my magic could do. Baja big boy bike, big tire bike, Tillotson 212. Everything should be stocked, running at 48 mile an hour. It's got a header and a muffler. So it came in for an aftermarket PWK setup. It came in for a governor delete, heavy duty pound valve springs. That header, open header with the trumpet. And then after all that, is gonna get the Faztboys tune, baby. Let's go. Shooting for 60 mile an hour. Y'all boys wanna act tough, huh? Shit, boy. Y'all know about this shit, huh? Sheesh. Guacha, güey. Está el sol a todo lo que da y está lloviendo.
Let me take a selfie.
Alright, boys, so we got the Tillotson dismantled. He still has the governor on. We're about to take that off. Let's see. There's that big gear right there, all that shit right there up top on the left, top right side. Left, top side, I'm sorry. So yeah, we're gonna take off the governor. That's definitely gonna help it out. And this oil was black, man. A cricket came out of there. Nah, but it was black. So yeah, we got all the parts on the table, ready for a cleanup, a port job on the head, and install back everything when it's done. Got the governor delete. We out here, baby. Out here. We are packed because it is holiday season and these dogs be acting crazy with all this home invasion shit. So we out here. It's dangerous, South Houston. So stripped it all up, ready for gasket. Clean the side cover, new gasket, and let's go, baby. So I found out this thing doesn't have a flat top and it's a heavy, so I'll definitely gain some performance when we switch it out to a flat top piston. Ya quedó. Lap the valves, clean the chamber, clean the gasket surface. Let's roll. What's going on, boys? Out here with my brother Carlos, working on the Baja, getting that shit done. Beautiful ports on the head. It's still torn down, ready to assemble. I'm gonna try to assemble it by tonight, boys. What do you think is gonna hit, man?
20 miles an hour.
Oh, 20! A fucking whopping 20 miles an hour. Sheesh. It hit 46 before. Now it's gonna hit 20.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, for real, what is your guess?
55.
55? All right, let's roll, baby. I think it's gonna hit 59 or 60. New customer, what's up, buddy?
I must fix this shit. I don't know what's wrong with it.
Oh. Shit. Damn it, bro. That's what's wrong with it. You got an animal in there. Damn it, boy, and we skipped to all the good parts. PWK is on, new throttle, this baby goes. Hell yeah. Boy Roy, Carlos, my baby, Julio.
What up?
What's up, boys? Got everything going on, engine aligned with the new header pipe, with the trumpet. See what it does. What's up, Julio? What do you think this bike will hit?
This one, the green one,
Yeah.
I give it about maybe no more than 50 miles per hour.
No more than 50. So is it a 50 or 49?
I'll give it a 50.
50. All right, Carlos, you said last night, right? You said what? 55. All right. Let's see what this homeboy says right here. Oh, he's too busy riding.
Rig that bitch over real quick.
All right, baby. First start. Let's go. Ponte frente, güey, porque se cae, porque se va. We got the key on, choke on, got oil, a little bit of gas.
Oh my.
Yeah, Chris. Got your nitrous tank. Let's go, baby. Let's go.